fix if you are unable to add bot to the server. To fix the issue where you cannot add a bot to a server, you must have the manage server permission enabled for your account on that specific server. Without this exact permission, Discord will automatically block you from authorizing any external bots. So click on the server name at the top, head over to server, click on server name, head over to server settings. Once you head into server settings, head into roles and look for your assigned role and ensure manage server is toggled on. So you can create role as well if you are the admin yourself. So as well, right now I'm not doing any of that for now. If you do not have the permission, you must ask the server owner to grant you the permission to manage server, right? Similarly, now verify the logged in account. When the bot authorization web page opens in your browser, look at the top right corner, ensure the username matches the Discord account where you hold administrative rights. Now you can also copy the bot invitation link and open a private or incognito browser window and paste the link and manually log in your correct Discord account. So sometimes it can be a simple glitch or a bug. In that case, simply restart your device and that should fix the issue as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.